up at the Greenhouse Sensation greenhouse. And the first thing we encounter is potatoes in quad grow root veg, which are growing very well. Over here we have the bottle gourd plant that's in a quad grow. So we're looking forward to enjoying some of the fruits of that plant. And then through here we have cucumber plant in quad grow. Sometimes, there we go, you can see the fruit there. It's beginning to form. Big plants. And into the main greenhouse itself. Some chilies growing here in oxypot. In the Vivi grow we have some staggering growth of tomatoes. That's in that Vivi grow. Second Vivi grow here. More tomatoes. Goodness me, look how tall they've grown. Lots of fruit ripening. And we have a quad grow with chilies and peppers in, which this one is a victim of its own success. It's got so much fruit on it that it's actually fallen over. And next to the quad grow we have Wilma, which has got peppers growing in it. Some quite large peppers as well, I think you can see. And still quite green at the minute, but oh yes, they're beauties. A quick overview of the peppers and chilies in the quad grow. And then way down here is another Vivi grow with chilies in, framed with a support frame, and they are, well, 7 foot tall at the minute on this day in early July. Another Vivi grow. See down here, peppers on. This is another, it's probably about 6.5 feet. And we have Oxypot XL, which last year we had big mustard mama chilies growing in it. This year it's got Trinidad Moruga Scorpion and Carolina Reaper growing in it. And that looks like it's going to be another monstrous growth. Excellent. Over here to the quad grow solar, which has got more peppers on. You can see in here. It's not just about how big the plant is, but obviously the yield, but staggeringly good. Oh, look at that one. This is great. And more ripening over here. So this is quad grow solar. You can see the drippers here that work off the pump. It's inside the reservoir. It's powered by the solar panel. And now I know I'm going to get in trouble with my designers about rotating the camera. Sorry, Sean. We have the Dua Grow, again with more peppers. And we seem to have chosen a really good variety to grow this year. Look at that one as well. Fantastic. And here, again in a support frame, we have another Vivi Grow. It's just a larger version. So this is NFT, nutrient film technique. More peppers growing. What fantastic growth. And here we have a chilli grow, which I think is growing a chilli called Pretty in Purple, which has lovely kind of variegated chilli, purple and green foliage. And the peppers themselves are just like small, little bullet-sized, purpley pink. They look beautiful. So that's the chilli grow. Again, that's another one doing very well. And that's just a quick tour of the greenhouse. And I'll make sure that this bit stays nice and landscaped, so there's no unnecessary turning. Oh, only joking.